This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. We're now on the second game for tonight. Playing white po tayo, yan po ang QR Towers. And of course, playing black po tayo, yan po ang the Boleros. Boleros, okay. And now, number 6. Velasco, Tumaki, Talan, Maki, Kumat, pops up, 2 points. Kaga, the Benanata. Maki Talan connection, pasok. Okay, binabanata ngayon ni Mr. Pasi. And number 14, JP to Pasi. To number 17, to Pasi again. Pops up. Bangs it in. Number 14, 2 points. Velasco, ang direktor. Nandun si number 14, Tupasi. Number 14, Elumba, pops up. No good. Rebound again by number 34, JP Palpal. And same ball tayo. Nope, go. Oy! Nakalimutan mo, boss. May pumipito. Hindi to hindi to yung larong labas. Same ball tayo, same ball. Ingat ha, ingat. Okay lang pre, okay lang. Bawi lang boss. Takan kayo. Pero di na tinawagan. Kasi ano lang kasi. Oy, Scott! Scott! Scott, ano, kita pa tayo mamaya, hindi na. Sige, tawag na lang ha. 57 naka-rebound now to Velasco. Velasco nagmamadali. Velasco, the director. Velasco, Bishop pass. Nope. Hinawi ang kanyang kakampi. Then now ko JP. JP, uy! Kick pass kay Velasco. Nandito si Paso called for the foul. Nice rebound by the big man, number 57. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. His good name. Okay, black ball tayo. Black shirts. Ron, wala. Rebound. Number 40, wala pa rin. Talan, naka-rebound. To Maki, Maki number 10. Mr. Mac. And to Talan, uy! Off the foot of Talan. Nagdala ng ng control tower talaga. Ang QR tower Nagdala ng control tower ang QR tower by the name of number 57. 57. JP per 2. Yes, sirree. JP 2 points. For me. Okay. Velasco, malakas ang bola. Rebound to Pasi kagad. Pasi on the rebound. Pasi, no good. Top 57. Ron, floater shot, in and out. Rebound si number 25. 25 rebounding. Ron for 3. No good. JP. Hoop shot, no good. Maki. Alan. Dicho pass kay Maki. 2 points, Maki. 2 points. 5:25 remaining. First quarter action, halfway through. Pasi. Elumba for 3. Bangs it in. Number 57. Now kay Talan, binababa ang bola. Binabang bola. Reñares pumuposisyon. Maki. Hoy! Traveling violation. And change pwede po tayo. Okay, this is your ABC Friend Doubles Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: SBB Ara and PSB Basketball League. Nandiyan po ang Trade Needles and Team LBC Hara yung padala. Sa po natin po dyan ang ating po mga participating teams. Season number 5, Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx, Inflights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, QR Towers, Freighters, Sky Team, and Mechanicos. This is an elimination and saying game for the day po tayo between Boleros and QR Towers. Balik po tayo sa ating second quarter action. JC, boss shoutout, Fernandez, ang pinakalakas mag-warm up. Of course, nandyan na rin po yung number 11, si number 7. Forbes, no good. Nandiyan si number 1, si Badjola, at si Adrian So. And si Luteria. Badjola, naku, lumabas. Badjola, wala pa rin. Number 16. Number 16, binaba ang bola. Number 16. Fernandez. Pops up, JM. Forbes, no good. Rebound by Adrian So. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Binaba ang bola. Number 7. Ayun kay Badjola. 2 points Badjola. Badjo, 2 points. Badjola 2 points. 6-9. Laman pa rin po ang team Boleros. Zohan. Benji, running shot, 2 points. Lotero, Nato, Jain, Badjola, tapped, and same ball. Top slash with a back shot. Julio, 6'11", Boleros. Nice one by number 11. No foul. Badjola, intercept. No, hindi. Suhan. Against Jain. 75, driving strong. Palpal ni Jain. Palpal ni number 11 rather. And kay Lotero, Badjola, Adrian So, wala pa rin. Adrian So, power move, wala pa rin. Foul! .8-11 pa rin po tayo. Score po rin po na 8-11. Laman pa rin po ang Boleros. No foul. Paul, naka-rebound. Adrian So, pops up. No good. Paul, naka-rebound naman. And Badjola, Lotero, Lotero nanguna. Lotero! Wala! Paul, 2 points. 2 points, Paul. 10-11. 1:44 remaining. Two points. Jain. Pinasa kay Lotero. Paul for 3. Offline. What's it for you? No good. Paul, rebounding. Jain, no good. Lotero, wala. Isa pa, Lotero. Foul sa ilalim. Benji called for the foul.
Warning for penalty.
Foul.
Fernandez, number 15, second personal foul.
Second shot. Bajola. Second free throw. Wala. JP. Forbes. Wala. Aiden So. Kick pass kay Jain. Jain. 2 points Jain.
$25 seconds.
No foul. Bajola. Foul. On back. King violation.
20 seconds. Bintang tayo, bintang.
13-all po tayo. Wala. Jain naka-rebound. Paul Watter. Jain. 2 points Jain. And that's it po tayo sa ating first quarter action. Maraming salamat po. The score is 15-13. Lamang po ang QR Towers by 2 points. Okay, Sheik, number 77. Didn't say, sir? Okay. Well, of course, nandiyan din po si Mr. Yan, si Nicola. Si number 12. Nicola. Driving strong. Nicola. 2 points, Nicola. $77 was there. Number 3 also. 2 was. And Tajida. Number 7 Sheik. Nicola. Tajida. Nagatumapat sa to number 3. To Tajida. Tajida nakalusot. Floater shot. Wala.
Foul number 7.
Tajida shooting for 2. Pops up. Out. Mark. 69, Mark. Pops up for 3, number 0. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3 rebound out to pass to Sheik. Sheik. Ball handling skills. Snap to Tajida. Tajida. Nicola. Sumunang pick. Nice pick. And pops up for 3. Bang! Nope. Ayaw. Sheik. Kizzy. Again. Kizzy, number 3. Op! Si Daisy. Boleros ball. Nope. Tajida. 7:48 remaining. Tajida, mutik pa. 2 shots for Tajida. 18-13 score po natin. This time around now, it's QR Towers in the lead. Tajida, wala. Rebound by White Shirts. Nice one by Kizzy. Nicola thinking 3, ayaw. Sheik, Kizzy for 3, for 2. Bank shot sana, wala. Foul! Who's foul rep? Foul number 69, Mark.
69.
Nicola to Tajida. Now kay Dabs. 69, Dabs pops up. May pause ilalim.
Ball number 12.
Pops up Sheik. Nope, air ball. Dabs. Mark. Oy!
Ball number 5.
No good. Easy. Sheik. Kizzy. Number 12. Tajida. 3-second violation. Sayang. Oy, foul.
Ball number 3.
Number 3 called for a foul. Wala. Rebound Tajida. Kizzy. Labas muna. Nicola, thinking 3. Sheik. Oy! Foul! Blocking foul ko.
Ball number 5. Hit 5.
Change 5 tayo. sir. Ito. Okay, second quarter. Okay, halfway po tayo pa ng second quarter now. Boleros trailing behind up by 6 points already. Pasi. Pops up. 25, no good. Rebound by Zohan. By Zuleta. Lutero. Uy! Foul called. Foul yung foul. Foul called.
Foul number 77.
Pops up. In. .447 remaining. JP. Dish of pass. Nakuha ni Zuleta ang bola. 24, JP called for the foul. 4:28 remaining. Lutero. Pinasa kay Maki. Jain, 2 points. 2 points, Jain. 4:05 remaining. JP, foul called again. Pushing foul on JP. JP pushing foul called.
Time out. Okay, back to one game.
Talo yung Ginebra. Zuleta. Foul! Pasi called for the foul. Pops up. Maki, 2 points. Maki, 2 points.
Now doing this there.
2 points, Pasi. Pasi, 2 points, Lutero. Talag, Velasco, pops up, Lutero. No good. Rebound again by the black shirts. 20-25. That's Losada. Binababa kaagad. Fernandez to Losada again. Losada driving show sa ilalim. Nando may nagbamantay. Stepping on the line. Jain stepping on the line.
Ready to shoot.
Ready to shoot. Pasi. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. That's Mr. Velasco. Maki. No good. Rebound by the black shirts again. Elumba. Pops up. No good. Lutero naman. Jain. 2 points, Jain, 2 points. Pasi. 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 To Fernandez. Pops up. Losada. Wala. Pasi. Nakaliba. Pauko. Tinawagan. Basket made 27-16. And the reliability advantage now being posted now by team QR Towers. Jain again. Jain. Alex Zuleta. Velasco to Alex. Jain. Jain. Velasco. Velasco. Zuleta 2 points. Losada. Ilumba. Nagbabantay, dalawang malaki. JP. Score natin set, 29-16. Lamang, Pure Towers. Maki, 2 points. Maki, 2 points. Again, Alex. Alex Losada for 3. Bangs it in. On the roll. All on the roll ang Control Towers.
Ball number 6.
JP. Wala. Rebound Alex Zuleta. Jain. 18 seconds remaining. Jain. Alex. For 3. No good. Isa pa. Maki. Why? 3 seconds and wala na. D-Mac is watching. Maraming salamat po. Halftime po tayo at 34-16. Lamang po ang The Towers. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. Halftime po tayo. Lamang po, 34-16. Tansya ko, marami yata ang puti. They will now shoot now the penalty free throws. O mas marami yata ang itim, kaya namimili ang puti. Power wing. Let's see what this power wing's up for. Wait, nice one.
There's one there.
Boleros ball. Tabs. JP. Forbes. Benji. Forbes, nawala ang bola, same ball. Benji. Top and behind, good. Good ball, black ball, good ball, good ball. Wrong. Good goal, ah. So, no good. Tum na ako eh. Two points, Forbes. Cargamento. Oh, foul goal.
Number one black ball. free throw. High number 9.
Good ball, good ball. Edinson naka-rebound. Edinson naka-rebound. Tajida. Nice one kay Badjola. Walang pinasahan. Nando si Tajida. Nando si Benji. Benji binabambola. Benji. Number 13. Benji for 3. No good. Tajida naka-rebound. Pinasa kay Badjola. Badjola. Wala. Edinson wala pa rin. Hellball situation. Ariola. Op. Teka lang. Napindot. Game. Scott, salamat sa Buffalo Wings mo, ha. Masarap ka mo. Paul. May foul. Salamat sa Buffalo Wings. Masarap, recommended ko. Lalo yung kanilang yung honey coated Buffalo Wings. Masarap. Kaya yung sweet chili Buffalo Wings. And yung kanilang corn on the cob. Okay, Paul, number 11, pops up. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. White shirts, ilalim kay Adrian. So, hounded. 3-second violation call. 7:09 remaining. After this po, nandun na po ang Sky Team at Freighters. Where na you? Dito na mi. Pero nak 3 point po ang Boleros. Sky Team Freighters, where na you? Dito na mi. Tajida to Badjola. Tajida, nagkaroon po ng ng konting And ayun, puti. Patay kay Bargamento ang bola. Benji and Tajida. Benji hounded by Tajida to Dubs. Sinabang bono ni Dubs. So Benji Samsam. Benji pops up. Forbes, no good. Dubs. Ron. Benji. Ayun. Good ball. Ron. Dubs. Bang! Back-to-back field goals by Dubs. Still, as 13-point lead advantage by Team Towers over Boleros. Adrian So. Paul. Nice decision pa. Bargamento. Paso bola kay Bargamento. Bargamento, 2 points. Samsam or Benji. Binaba 5:38 remaining. Dubs. Uy! Blocking foul on Adrian So for sure.
Number 26.
Number 26 called for a foul. Okay, si Forbes yung nagpalabas muna para kay number 25. Samsam or Benji. Back to back field goals by Dubs, ha? Benji. Dubs. Kick pass. Pops up Losada. No good. Binababa ang bola ni Talan ng bola. Talan to McCoy. To Mackie. Offline. Naandun ang black shirts. Nagbabantay. Losada to Benji. Benji. 2 points. Hoy! Anspo foul. Okay.
Number 10. Number 26, unsportsmanlike foul.
Anspo foul on 26. That's Adrian So. And for sure, number 17 will take the Anspo free throws. Okay, medyo konti na muna. Pag-usapan muna natin. Nag-usapan mga refer natin. Okay, nagmi-meeting yung mga attorney natin. Okay, nagmi-meeting mga attorney. Okay. Okay, confirm. Number 17, 2 shots given.
Last ball position.
Plus ball possession. Adrian So associated out also.
Sportsmanlike foul.
Kaya bilangin nilabas muna siya. 2 minutes siya to 3 minutes na. Iupo muna siya. 4:42 remaining.
Sportsmanlike foul.
39-26. 2 shots given para kay Mr. Number 17 kay Ron. Oy, sorry. First shot, pasok ha. Second shot ni Ron, jumper's ready. Ron, second throw, pops up. Wala. And ball possession. Sab muna Ron, labas muna kay Ron. Black ball, plus ball possession kasi yan. Losada for the inbound. Binabatong niyo yun. Ayan na. Samsam. Losada. Uy! Walang pinasahan. 4:31 remaining. 4:31 remaining. Ah! Lotero. 3-second violation again. Three-second violation called on Team Towers. Benji for the binababa ang bola. 29-37. 12 kalamangan. Pinasa kay Benji. Benji driving show. Pops up Losada. Bank shot. Good. Lotero foul on Dubs. Tumama. Natama ng ulo.
Foul number 9 sa position.
Jain. Lotero.
Dahil Mundo.
Mark. JP. Struggling. Oy! 3-second violation on the Boleros. Mark. Maki, 2 points.
Salutation.
Palakas. Jane. Maki. Foul. Sa baba. Down.
Basket.
Jane. Wala. Black ball. Mark. Foul. Foul on Talan for sure.
Foul number 27.
Talan nga. Talan.
Number 69.
Foul again. Again, back-to-back fouls for sure. Committed. Back-to-back fouls called on Talan.
Substitution.
Substitution po tayo. Second shot. Pasok. Wala. Tap. No good. One more time. Black ball again. 40-28. Laman ng 12. JP. And one play. JP. No good. Black ball again. JP. Laman na 10. Pasi.
Foul number 5.
Losada. And one. Pasok. 3 points Losada. 40-30. Long 2 lang pala. Sorry, long 2 lang. Long 2. Nice pass. Wala. Rebound of the black shirts. Mark. Wala. Okay, coming up next po is the fourth and final quarter. Balik tayo. You're watching now the fourth and final quarter between Boleros and QR Towers. This is your A-Basing Player-Friendly Dabas Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors, SBB Ara and PSBQ. And of course, thank you po ang main sponsors po natin, Team LBC and Teddy Needles. Sa po natin po dyan ang ating mga participating teams po sa ating season number 5. And of course, ito po ang eliminations. You're watching now the fourth and final quarter between Boleros and QR Towers. After this po is Sky Team and the Freighters. Port na, boss. Okay, fourth and final quarter start right now. Final 10 minutes. 40-33, laman po ng 7 ang Team QR Towers. Black ball. Si Forbes for the inbound. Benji. Hernandez. Ron again. No good. Rebound. Juleta. Hey! Out of bounds.
White ball.
White ball daw sabi. Bargamento. And si Mr. Velasco. Bargamento number 12. Bargamento. Foul. Baba.
Foul number 15.
Bang! Si rin. Zuleta. Zuleta. 4-3 po sa pinapakawalan. 40-33. Ay, sawa. Namatin na rin AC. Pops up. JP. Mali pinasahan. Ayan na naman sila. Chic. Velasco. Velasco. Joe. Hindi Benji. 2 points. Ron. 2 points.
Velasco.
Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo.
Nakabiling violation.
No good. Labang na muli po ng lablang siyam ang QR Towers at 7:48 remaining. Uy, sarap naman ito. Up si Daisy. Then puro overload. Mapurize. Velasco. Wala. Black ball. Ron. Tapusin. Wala. Rebound by Kizzy. Oy! Holding foul on Chic.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Inbounding again. Lamang ng 11 ang QR Towers. Dabs for 3. No good. Rebound. Two points. Bargamento. Shake. JP Suleta. No good. Kizzy. Jape. Suleta. Wala pa rin. Malakas. Rebound again by the black shirts. JP. Oy, sayang. Zuleta. Kizzy. Chic. Wow, take two.
There's a foul.
Take two. Ayun lang. Wala na. Oh, what happened? Stepping on the line. Uy! Dabs. Benji. Creating space. Wala. Jane. Lamang ng 7. Tajida. Wala. Dabs, go for the foul. Si Mr. Tajida. Dabs. JP. JP naipit. JP devote shot. No good. Rebound. Palpal. Ni Dab ni Tajida ang bola. Kick pass kay Jain. Maki. Bargamento. To Nicola. Uy! Walang pinasahan. Sorry. Black ball. Okay, call overruled. It's black ball. Dabs, naipit. To JP, labas mo na raw. Naipit ka, labas ka na. JP. Oy, foul. May foul kagad. Foul. Timeout muna po tayo. Timeout ko by Team Black. Boleros go for a timeout. Back to the ball game. Boleros ball. Dabs. Benji. Benji again. Benji pops up. No. 5. Wala na. No more. Nice stop by QR Towers. Tik na. Lotero. Good ball, good ball. Tajida. Nicola. Wala. Maki. No, it's Tajida. 2 points. 2 points, Tajida. Ay! Hindi nakita. Mabigla yung tracer. Yung tracer na aparatos na yun. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Losad. In and out. And one sayang. Hindi pumasok.
Ang foul na nakita si Red. Foul number 5.
Number 5 called for a foul. Substitution muna po tayo. Lamang muli po ng 11 ang team QR Towers over Ball Eros. Wala. Next shot, Dubs. .3:14 remaining. Jain, umatake. Jain, 2 points. Jain, 2 points. Uy. Benji. Pops up. No good. Nicola nakaribang. Kick pass kay Makoy. Jain. 2 points Jain. Jain, 2 points. Pops up, JP, 2 points. Oy! Traveling violation po. Ano na ba?
Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time. 23 seconds. Fourth quarter. 39-52. Ating goal. Hey.
Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 2:20 remaining, 52-39 naman po na 13 ang team Pure Towers. Losada naka 3 points kagad.
3-4.
Oh, 10 muli. Kick pass kagad. Makoy. Nicola, Jain.
Last 2.
Tajida. Pop sa Blotero. Kapos. White, black ball. Black ball. Samsam or Benji. Losada. JP. Losada for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Tajida. Up. Black ball. A minute and 27 remaining. Substitution made.
Remaining time 1 minute 27 seconds.
Holding foul. Shake. Shake.
The boy.
Nice one! Nice play! Agida 2 points. Benji 3 points. I think too late for T-Rate for Team Boleros. Laman ng Siyam. Sheik. Jain 2 points. Benji. Foul! Take 3. Take 3. Pops up. Pasok. Take 3. First shot good. Second shot. Benji. Pops up. Pasok. Isa pa. To bring down the game to 6 points. All 3 shots made. Foul.
Foul number 9.
Isa pa daw, isa pa daw, isa pa, isa pa.
Duty foul, sir.
Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Foul. Penalty situation. Team Boleros. Paul shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot. Jumper's ready. No good. Rebound by the black shirt. Foul. Penalty situation. Makoy. Pasok. Second shot, Makoy. Pasok. 22 seconds remaining. And nag-time out pa po ang Boleros. 29 seconds remaining. Laman po ni Siyam ang team. Idol, ay tabi na tapos. Idol, sa Idol. Bossing, boss. Basta laro ha. Okay, final 20 seconds po coming up now. Finals 20 seconds coming up. Laman po ng Siyam ang team QR Towers over Boleros 57-48. Ayan na. Dabs for 3. No good. Up. Black ball.
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining. Wala. Okay, that's it. Jain. Ball, 2 points. Okay, congratulations. Final score, 57-48. Maraming salamat po. Winner, QR Towers.